What's up guys, welcome back to Smplbuilds. We have part 2 of the series that you guys really enjoyed where we transformed a car for $100. This time we have a 2011 Honda Civic in really rough condition and we're going to be transforming it for $200. Check it out. So first order of business, I think we're going to tackle the interior, detail the inside. We got a couple goodies to go in there as well, so here we go. Also excited to announce that this episode is sponsored by Simply Carbon. More on that later.
Alright, the interior is pretty much wrapped up.
Where did you get those glasses?
Oh, these? These are actually my new glasses from Simply Carbon Fiber. They sent out these awesome glasses, which I don't usually wear glasses or sunglasses, but I think the circle ones fit my face a little bit better than most other glasses. They got real carbon fiber on the sides here. These things are super sleek, super cool. I love the design. Simply Carbon Fiber has a ton of different options of real actual carbon fiber accessories, which is super dope because you don't find that very often. Everything's fake. They got wallets, they got sunglasses, rings, watches. Check them out. They got a bunch of stuff on their website. They are kind enough to give you guys a discount code, 10% off using Smpl10. The link will be in the description below, so you guys can get a pair of your own sunglasses or wallet, whatever it is, anything that you want that's real carbon fiber accessories. Huge thanks again to Simply Carbon Fiber. Guys, support the brands that support me. But for now, we're going to jump back onto the outside of this car. We got a ton of stuff to do. Super excited, so let's jump right into it.
That's a wrap on a $200 transformation. Guys, hit that like button. If we can hit 1,000 likes, I'll do a $300 transformation. It's a pretty high goal, but I think we can do it. Hit that subscribe button as well to not miss more videos like this. And I'm gonna go drop this off to my buddies. Hopefully he's stoked on it, and show you guys what it looks like. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.